this video, I am going to show you how to stitch princecut blouse. Before going to the video, friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more new videos. First, I am going to attach a lining for main fabric. You see, friends, right side or wrong side in main fabric. I will put the lining in right side because I am going to stitch now neck part. Neck part stitching is finished. Now I am going to give small cuts. In the small cuts gives our neck shape is perfect. Now I am turn the lining right side. We should make a one stitch like here. Now I am going to turn the lining right side. Now I am going to stitch top stitch in blouse. In this stitch, gives neck shape is proper. After finishing the top stitch, I am going to join the lining all over back piece. Now I am going to stitch what I marked in finishing point 13.5 inches. Remaining 1 inch I am going to fold and stitch it like this here. Now back part stitching is complete. Now I am going to attach sleeve lining. You see the main fabric right side or wrong side. You put the lining right side, after you turn other side. What I am showing on this video, you should stitch like now turn the lining and what we stitched in remaining cloth, turn lining side, make one stitch. After separate this to two sleeves. Separating after two sleeves, we stitch top stitch in like here. We give top stitch after we attach all over lining in sleeve. Now I finish my lining stitching in sleeve. Now I am going to attach a lining for front shape. First I am going to take middle part of blouse. Friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Now I am going to attach neck part. Neck part stitching is complete. Now cut the extra cloth. After I am going to give a small cuts in our neck shape. In this small cuts gives our neck perfect round neck. Now I am going to stitch neckline like this. After I am giving top stitch. Now join the lining. You should join what I am showing in this video like this. After join the lining, you should cut extra cloth. Now I am going to stitch prince cut shape. What I am showing in this video, you should stitch like that. First I am going to join the edges. After quarter inches stitches, I am going to stitch. This curve you should join properly. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more new updates. Now I am going to give a small belt of down part of the blouse. After turn the lining back side, stitch it top stitch. Now fold the lining. After you give a one stitch here. Now right side part is ready. Now I am going to stitch double putty. Double putty means in this putty we are going to stitch hooks holders. Double putty means hooks holders. You could stitch like what I am showing in this video. Now I am going to stitch 5 hooks holders. Other side also you will stitch like this. But one difference, another side I am going to stitch single piece. Single piece means what we stitch in hooks. That called single piece. Now our prince cut front part is ready. Now I am going to take a back part and front part pieces to join the Now I am going to stitch shoulder part. Make a double stitch. Now I am going to stitch sleeves. You should put back side part is back side, front side part in front side. After you should stitch. After stitching the sleeves, you should check sides in equal. Sides is equal means you should stitch double stitch. After finishing the sleeve stitch, you should stitch what you take measurement in your blouse in finishing stitches. Now, prince cut blouse is finished.